Before performing tympanometry, inform the patient what to expect from the evaluation. Explain that you are going to evaluate the way their eardrum moves. They will hear a low tone, feel pressure in their ear canal, and they do not need to respond in any way. The test will only take a few seconds and all they have to do is sit quietly. If you are testing reflexes, let the patient know that in addition to the low tone, there will be some brief beeps. They do not need to respond to the beeps, but just sit quietly until the evaluation is complete. Examine the ear canal to determine the appropriately sized ear tip and place it on the end of the Allegro probe. Make sure that the ear tip is pushed all the way down to the casing of the probe.